Hi there, this is Gary Wales, and over there hiding is Andreas. Say hello, Andreas. There you go. And just a little update. We couldn't give an update in the last few days because I've been in Facebook prison. I was a bad boy. Anyway, you're not going to see a heck of a lot of difference other than on the firewall. Now, what do you think of that? Andreas and everything's been working like a little beaver. And you can see we're into bling bling. So bling bling is finally coming through and we're getting everything put together and figured out. So it comes every day, a little bit more, and all of a sudden it's done. So it's getting there, and I just got a little bit of metal work to do and make the chain guards and so forth. As you can see, it's coming along. Still got pieces coming for it that we'll be adding to it. But it just takes a little time, a little more time than you could imagine. But it's all coming together and we'll have it ready. Oh, in another probably 30 days. Just depends if it's not too damn hot. I've got a lot of things in the mill and in the working, getting done here and getting done there, but the seat's all been fitted in and locked into position, and pieces are gone right now because we're modifying them and bringing them in. But the main thing that's different right now is the firewall. You can see it is a work of art, and that's what it's about. It's not only beautiful, it's super functional. So anyway, just wanted to show you where we're at, and we hope you have a fine weekend too.